Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to talk about how to tear down an Apple TV. And I tried to find some information on the internet about this, but it's a very hard to find any good information how to do it. But essentially the Apple TV is hooked with clips, and it's two plastic parts. There are two clips in the front, on the sides, and one small in the back. And on the inside there are hooks that prevent the case from so you cannot wedge something inside and pry it up. And they are present in the front and on the sides, and there's a small ones in the back. However, the back side is the easiest way to get inside, and pretty much only thing for you to get inside. So what you need to do is take something small like this metal prying bar, and with your fingernail you force like a small opening, and then you stick small metal bar inside and pry it up. So you expose some of the back. Try to find another metal part, stick it inside like this, and then you have to maybe have another metal clip like this, and work your way around here, pry it up, put a supporting bracket over here like this, and then work your way around the corner and try to push it down here and pry it up so you can. And the reason you do that is because you want to come over here and eventually get a hold of this clip and try to force the metal bar down here and push so it will release the clip, and you can either work your way around here or the other side, and eventually you will get the case almost like at an angle like this. And the easiest part to get a hold of the clips here would be to just put something right through, but the motherboard's in the way, so you have to like really carefully lift it and then lift it back and try to pull it as much as you can back, and finally release the clips like something like this. It's for a snap case,